Each motor channel on the modern robotics motor controller can be set to one of three modes. You can run at constant power, you can run at constant speed, or you can run to position. We're going to look today at run at constant power and run at constant speed. All three of these modes have a lot of information available at modernroboticsedu.com, where you can go learn more about the application of these modes and what they're doing on the inside. I have two motors here. I'm going to turn them both on, both at 10%, but one of them is going to be at 10% speed and the other motor is going to be at 10% power. The first thing you're going to notice is that the motor running at 10% power is turning faster than the motor at 10% speed. Now this is because if we were to run the motor at 10% speed at 100% power and it starts to slow down, you'll have to catch up and you can't go faster than that. So the motor would not be able to catch up. So there's some reserve headroom in there, and it's more evident at lower speeds like we're running at here. But if we try to slow these down, let's say your robot is going up a ramp or it runs into another robot and you want to keep going at the same speed, you'll be able to tell that the motor that's running at constant speed is not going to slow down at all. First, let's start with motor at constant power. If I try to stop that, I can completely stop the motor with one hand. The other motor that's running at constant speed will adjust for it. So as the encoder counts back to the controller start getting slower, the encoder will feed more power to it, so it doesn't change speed at all. So I'm going to try to stop that one as hard as I can without it hurting my hand. I can't get it to slow down at all, whereas this one, I could stop the motor completely. So this is run at constant speed and run at constant power. Very useful to use in your applications. So is run to position. This is how you do it in Android Studio with these codes. It's not called run at constant power or speed in Android Studio, but this is the command for it. You can also test this out pretty easily using Core Device Discovery, which can be downloaded from the Modern Robotics website. Ow. Stops. Ow. Ow. Stops. Ow! 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 Totally stops.